Here's a 10 out of 10 salad that is both refreshing and satiating, perfect for dinner. This recipe utilizes seasonal vegetables and pairs them with fresh greens and an amazing herby dressing. We'll start by peeling an eggplant and cutting it into half moons. We'll then transfer them to a lined baking sheet. You can swap the eggplant for any low-carb vegetable you have on hand like turnips or asparagus. We'll do the same with the zucchini and slice half a red onion. And to balance out the flavors, we're adding a little bit of fresh corn. We'll drizzle everything with olive oil and season with salt and pepper. We'll then bake the veggies in a preheated oven at 400 Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. While that's baking, we'll start on the dressing. We have fresh parsley, sour cream, lemon juice, garlic, salt, pepper, and a generous drizzle of olive oil. Blend that until you get a bright green dressing. Transfer it to a bowl and keep in the fridge. Let's prep the start of this dish. Just some olive oil, salt and pepper on both sides will do the trick. Make sure you check on those veggies and set them aside when done. Cook the steak in a preheated skillet until golden, crispy, and cooked to your liking. Let it rest for a few minutes before slicing against the grain. To assemble, we'll start with a bed of mixed greens. We'll add those golden roasted vegetables and of course that sweet charred corn. Then it's time for those juicy meat slices and a little bit of crumbled goat cheese. We're adding a little bit of sunflower seeds for added crunch. And finally, that bright green herby dressing. And there you have it, an all-rounded salad worthy of your special occasions.